Recording.
So what we've done, we've set the tool now from the previous video. So now we're about to take a cut, and the machine will automatically, provided we've got the depth pretty close, which I think we should do, it should actually bore, pick itself up and move over to the next cylinder. So what we'll do, we'll just engage it here. It'll go up and it'll come back down. We've got a speed RPM of 300 and we've got a feed rate of 5,000. So we'll just see, this is approximately a 30-40 thou cut. Reason why it's a little bit funny up the top there, a bit interrupted, is because there's some large eyebrows for inlet and exhaust valves to miss, the bore edge. By the time we get to size, those eyebrows will be missing. The beauty about the fixtures, it corrects all error in some of the blocks that we've seen, and we've run the probe up and down. The cylinders are actually crooked to the deck face, or the deck face is crooked to the bores. So once again, the fixture realigns everything and corrects any previous machine shop error if they haven't been absolutely correct in their fixtures or out a little bit with their machining practices. These blocks are made out of a hydride grade iron, and at times they can be quite harsh on the tooling as well. So it's quite common after one or two blocks that the insert that we use needs to be rotated to the new edge to be able to keep the surface finish up. We actually got to take 180 thou out of this particular block, taking it out to 4.5 inches. So we're doing multiple cuts. So what's going to happen now, the machine has come to its bottom of its cut. Again, it does it to the basically to the 10th of a thousandth, and it will automatically move it over how we programmed it, and it will come down and it will proceed to take the next cut.